In sterile environments, precision and hygiene are crucial. That's why we present the LVD298 GKV01 glass keyboard, specifically designed to meet the demands of aseptic areas. This industrial keyboard is ideal for use in sterilized environments. Its technology, comparable to that of capacitive touchscreens, offers excellent input speed and unparalleled typing comfort. Additionally, the keyboard is dust and waterproof and can be easily cleaned. But most impressive, its built-in touchpad allows for perfection precision for meticulous tasks, such as medical imaging. With its recognition capability of up to 3 fingers, this capacitive keyboard enables easy navigation and multi-touch operation, meeting all the needs of sensitive and demanding environments. In summary, the glass industrial keyboard offers a perfect combination of precision, versatility, and ease of use in sterile environments. Interested in learning more? Visit our website and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and products.